How you doing? So today we're going to be making chicken broccoli, Chinese style, like a stir fry with oyster sauce and some soy sauce. Absolutely delicious, doesn't take long at all. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. And by the way, I'll leave all the amounts and the ingredients in the text below. So we've got the star of the show here, our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've got like, you know, one decent sized breast there, cubed. You can put it into strips if you want. I've got some broccoli there, maybe, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 cups of broccoli. 1 small onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic, little bit there, optional. I've got some star anise pieces. You don't have to put that in, but it will give it a nice flavour. Then we've got some ginger, sliced ginger, about the same amount as the garlic. And then maybe half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using the light soy. And then the same amount of oyster sauce. We're going to start this off with some oil. I'll be using some sesame seed oil. That's about it. Very easy. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my wok here. We've got the heat on quite high. I'm going to drop in some sesame oil, give it a nice nutty flavour. If you don't have that, you can use a regular oil. And to that, we're going to pop in our star anise. Like I said, that's completely optional. You don't have to do this. And we're going to drop in our ginger. Just give this a stir for a few seconds. And again, my ginger I've cut in nice big pieces. You don't have to do that. You can chop it like I've chopped the garlic if you want. Let's get in our onion. We'll now go with our garlic, our tablespoon of chopped garlic. And staying on this high heat, let's go for about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, this is coming on really nicely. Time for the chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken breast, no skin, no bone. And I've cubed mine. You could put it into strips if you want. Remaining on this high heat, let's go for 4 minutes. Moving it around pretty much all the time. And just as our chicken is changing colour, we can now add in our broccoli. Gonna now get in a little bit of black pepper. We're not going to be adding any salt because the soy we're using and the oyster sauce is quite salty enough, I think. Okay, another sort of 3 minutes or so, stir frying away. Fantastic. We're now going to add in a little bit of water. We're going to add our soy. Like I say, I'm using a light soy. And the same amount of oyster sauce. In that goes. And again, we're going to stay on this high heat. Keep this moving for about 2 to 3 more minutes. And that is looking fabulous. Off goes the heat. I'm going to finish mine off with some spring onions or green onions, whatever you call them. Give that a mix and that's done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.